And welcome to ServiceNow Mastery Tutorial. Today we on application, we have to click on the Create Studio. Then we'll now create an app that is playing zone, right? And now we'll create the application. And just click on this globe icon, then you can see the playing zone application is there and the update set is default, right? So in the playing zone application, you want to create one table, right? So what you can do, you can just click on the tables and under the system definition in the tables, just click on the tables and click on new. So now you can create the playing zone. So the label would be playing zone incident table, playing zone incident table, and the name will be automatically cancelled. Right now, what we have to do, we have to click on save. When we click on save, so as you can see in the related link, so you can see the form and you can see the access controls. Okay. So basically, all of these are by creating the table playing zone incident under the playing zone application. So all these are the access controls, which is like the rules provided to the user, which is create, read, delete, and write. So the all the four CRUD that is create, read, update, and delete operations are allowed to the users for the in the access control rules. Right and now, what I'm using the form layout, click on the form layout and click on requested for. And into the type, you can choose a reference and into the table to reference is underscore user. Then you just click on sys underscore user, then you can see it the table comes in and just click on add. The age, right? So age is a number, integer, you can just add it. And I'll just click on save, right? So this is our form field set. Now what I want to do is I just want to add this application. I first I will create one new user, then I will provide this role to the user, right? What I can do is I'll just go to the user administration and I will create one new user. Enable is the user, right? And the first name is also enable. Last name is dot, right? And click on save. So now what all the rules we have to create, we have to provide to enable. I'll just click on edit. I'll scroll it down and on the role tab, I'll click on edit, right? And into the application is the playing zone. And click on run filter. And both of these, first is the agent access request and the another is the table. I will provide both of these roles and I'll click on save. Yes. So for the enable role, these two roles are provided to enable role. When I just provide to enable role and I click on impersonate user for the enable role, now enable can able to see what all the applications, right? So the application is playing zone application table, playing zone incident table, we can able to access it. See, and into the playing zone table. So basically, four of the roles were written, right? Create, read, update, and delete. So Annabelle now can able to create also For example, requested for Abraham, ages 15, right? And I'll click on submit. So he can able to create as well, and he can able to update it also and delete it, and also able to read the record, right? But now if I want, I have enter impersonation. Now if I want enable, so not to see delete option is you can also go to the tables and into the table choose a plain zone incident table which you have created few minutes back, and into the incident table you just scroll it down and come to the access control. So rather than you can also find it into the access control as well, and I just wanted what I wanted, but enable won't able to enable don't want to delete. I don't want the enable to delete any record, right? So I'll just click on this delete access control, and what I will do, I will click on delete. So basically, before clicking on the delete, some of the options of when you are going to delete, right? Some of the options are not able access you. Like the delete option, you are not going to able to access it. Why? Because like if I just okay, one second. I'll show you the demo as well. Okay, I have stopped. Yeah, now into the playing the zone incident table. When I just click on the delete, and I want this access control list to delete. Right, I'll just go to the action on the selected rows. I click on it and see delete option, delete with previews. If we delete and move to application, create application, some of the options I'm not able to access. Why? So to able to delete it, what we have to do, we have to click on the elevate rule, because the security admin will provide us some modification access to high security settings. So we'll able to modify the access control list, right? So first you have to click on the elevate rule and click on the update. Then you just click on the update. Now you can able to delete the access control list. I'll click on delete, and I'll go to this section on the selected rows tab and delete it. Right? Delete the selected record, then delete this record. Then I'll click on it. So now, as you can see, the only access control is available is create write-in region, not deleter. So now what you have to do, you have to click on impersonate user, impersonate enable once again, and now we can see as a playing, okay, playing one incident table, and now just want to create new table, right? Requested for LNA, and the age is like 18, and I submitted it. So as you can see, LNA. Now we have created LNA. I'll open the recorder. You can see I can write the record. I can read all the records in the list. I can update as well, but I can't delete it. And I can't delete it because I never, I did not provide the access of delete, and I deleted the excess of delete in the control list, access control list, right? I hope you understand this. And now, if I again want to provide the delete option to enable, what I have to do, I have to first go to user administration. I have to first create the role of delete. Like I'll click on the new. I'll click on new in role section, and what I will provide the description, right? One second, it takes time to open it. I'll click on roles. Yes, so now the delete option is there, and delete main zone field, right? And I'll click on submit. So now this role you have to first assign to enable to the user, and then And now you have to provide the role. Okay. In the role section, you click on edit, and in the application is the playing zone, right? Run filter, and this delete playing. Okay. And click on save. Now what you have to do is you again go to table section, first playing zone, or you can just also go to playing zone. Yeah. I think it's not yet updated. You have to click on update. There's a name get changed. Okay, yeah. We have to click on playing zone incident table, and we'll click on the new. Then into this header tab, click on the right click, and in the configure section, on the security rules, it's access control. Then click on new. Until and unless you elevate the roller, you also cannot able to access control list, right? So this is the record. This is what the delete option. Then allow it to name. Yeah, name is what? Playing zone. Yeah, so playing zone incident table. None is for the none field. Then role is applied for. What is the role? We have created it, right? Okay, so we can change it as created and today run, and then deleting playing zone field, click on it and submit it. Yeah. Continue, and now we are going to impersonate the user, enable, and yeah, enable for this coming. Enable for this coming. No, okay, you can install. One second. So just enable all comes when we click on impersonate user. Then I'll just go to playing zone incident table, right? And I'll click on new. Alexandro. Age will be like 4. I'll click on submit. And this is Alexandro. I want to open it, open record. Yeah. So the delete option is again available for the Alexandro, for the Annabelle to delete the option. So I think this much is clear to you. We'll meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye.